Greetings to my team of 144 and all Starseeds, Lightworkers, and Wayshowers. It is 1128-2019, November 28th, 2019. Happy Thanksgiving to all those in this realm that are celebrating this day of being thankful. Every day is a day for giving thanks, for gratitude, for showing our appreciation for all things, all people in our lives that are on this great journey with us. Today was a peaceful day on the Schumann resonance, the 1221 coming through all day today, 1212, 3773. The day was 12 hertz on the Schumann resonance, so a mellow day, a quiet day. It was quiet on the energies of the earth also, the least amount of shaking, earthquakes in recent times, although there was a small swarm in Missouri on the New Madrid fault line. Tomorrow, 11/29, is the last 11/11 gateway portal of the year. It's my brother's birthday. He'll be 48, which is a 12. So these 12/12s coming through as we transition into the 12/12/12 portal on 12/12 next month. Have a couple more days of November until we transition into the 12/12 portals. 144 coming through, and the 744. Today's first transmission from Pars Kute. There are powerful waves of exceptional purity coming through the Earth's polar magnetic field. These waves are persisting with nearly perfect pitch and have been linked to tearing instabilities and explosions in Earth's magnetic field are actually the incoming angelic frequencies and the incoming diamond light codes surrounding us. The crown of gold is fully activated, surrounding our head with the golden light. These frequencies are so high that our brain slips into theta and delta, and we just might want to sleep all the time. These are new timelines and new opportunities. We are full steam ahead to the new Earth. And tonight, Thursday, November the 28th, Moon and Jupiter are perfectly aligned. Jupiter, tonight the Lady of the Night, the Moon, will align with the King of Gods, Jupiter. This is a day of amazing opportunities and the chance to make advances in all parts of your life. Use the power of this day wisely. Good luck fills our world. Tonight, anything is possible. And from the Gene Key, the Gene Keys by Richard Rudd, The Higher Purpose Hidden in Our DNA, November 28th through December 3rd, 12/3 is Gene Key 9, The Power of the Infinitesimal. Gene Key 9, Invincibility, Determination, Inertia, Mastery, Versatility, and Indifference. The karma of tomorrow we create today. That's the power of focusing on the present. Whatever our difficulties in life may be, we can always bring our attention and our determination into the small, everyday details, and we can make our changes there. That's the foundation of magic, the transformation of the small. That's the ninth way, the gift of determination. Whenever we look into the matrix of this ninth gene key, it keeps pointing to the same truth. That a person without an ideal burning inside them is essentially destined to remain a follower of the crowd. However, it is important to distinguish that this is not a gift of dreaming, but of sustained activity and work towards a single, powerful goal. And from the Yi Ching, taming power of the small, wind blows across the sky. Trust in the power of the invisible, for the butterfly's wings create a typhoon. Invincibility is the clarity of beauty. Determination is intuitive freshness. Inertia is the unease of entropy and the intention of creation. Taming power of the small brings about progress and success. We see dense clouds but no rain coming from our western borders. And this is the symbolism of the great power that's contained within the tiny, within the small, within that singularity, within that 0 point, infinite density, infinite life, infinite light. The large is the small is the large. Internal into the external, external into the internal. And from Elizabeth Peru, it's time to let go of the lessons of 2019 as we prepare for elevated newness in 2020. Did you know that it's in the final 4 weeks of this year that we set the tone on our entire year and decade ahead? If you've been working on yourself throughout 2019 and are feeling somewhat unsure or deflated, chin up. There is so much goodness coming in. You've come through some of the most testing and poignant cosmic energy and months that we will experience this century. Now that we're in the final days of November, can you feel the great shift of energy that's drawing us into the moment? As November closes, cosmic energy is pulsing. And from the Tzolk'in times, Blue Solar Storm. Solar is the name for the number 9, and its key words are intention, pulse, and realize. The 9th day of the Blue Monkey Wave spell is a force to be reckoned with. The number 9 always packs a punch and is the highlight or climax of a wave spell. Full of high energy and never dull, number 9 days can be dramatic, which is fine if you get off on drama. Make good use of this energy, and by using your intention, make things happen. Today is Blue Storm, which represents self-generation, energy, and catalyze. What a combination of number and day. It doesn't get crazier than this, but if your intention is to make a big, life-altering change, then this is the day to do it. Harness this energy or be blown away by it. And from Christina Papagiorgio, Blue Solar Storm, kin 139, 28 November 2019, 28/11 2019 equal 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go, forward progress. 28, great success, manifestation. 10, manifestation, leadership, authority, new beginnings. 6, Christ consciousness, harmony, family, romance. Kin 139 equal 13, equaling 4. 13, the cosmic goddess, natural lore, 13 moons. 4, form, structure, foundation, earth angelic. A magical, mystical, spiritual day of great transformative power. Day 9 in the Blue Monkey Wave spell of magic, joy, bliss, play, merriment, and a return to innocence. Today we realize that magic pulses as at its utmost when we see the bigger picture, the vision that generates the energy of change. Today we have tremendous energies available to fuel our visions and to catalyze joy, expressed as fully creative, alive, and limitless. Tone of creation, solar tone 9, operates in the spiritual realm, action, realizing, power, pulse, essence, intention. The 9th day of the wave spell is the one that gives the last push prior to manifestation. The solar phase is where we wake up to the fact that our will affects the reality that we experience, so we begin pulsing, extending our intent into realization, visualizing what we want to manifest, and pulsing that intention from our whole heart. This assists us in making our dreams come true. This is potent manifestation energy today. What vision and intention are you pulsing into reality? Today's question is, how can I catalyze the winds of change to fuel my greatest vision, realizing my intention, pulsing that out from your heart? Divine blessings for catalyzing this tremendous power day. Be the storm, be the change, fuel your mission, be the way shower, dare to go where angels fear to tread. And happy galactic birthday to Princess Diana. Diana beautifully exemplified kin 139. She was like a breath of fresh air as she catalyzed incredible change in the old stale system of British royalty. She insisted on being the first British monarch to be a hands-on mum, breaking protocol in order to raise her boys and keep them close to her. She was young, fresh, naive, and pure of heart, symbolizing the pure innocence of the divine child in the monkey wave spell. The protection of the children and their innocence was very important for Diana. Kin 139 adds up to 13, which represents the goddess. And indeed, Diana is the true embodiment of the goddess as she rose to attain incredible natural power through following the guidance of spirit and her heart. Her challenge of Red Moon caused her much self-doubt and low self-esteem in the early days until she found her true path. Purification was her challenge, evident in her battle with the eating disorder bulimia. She was surrounded by much toxicity in the royal family, which she could not stomach, but she continued to shine her light in the darkest of places, being a true beacon on the world stage. From the Dreamspell Journey by Volume Votan and Nick. Kin 139, The Solar Tower of Self-Generation, 28 November 2019, NS 1.32.5.14, Kin 139, Blue Solar Storm. The mantra for the day, the code is, I pulse in order to catalyze. Realizing energy, I seal the matrix of self-generation. With the solar tone of intention, I am guided by the power of vision. Let us know in the comments below what your vision is for the new earth, for what you would like to manifest into this realm, to convert the false matrix into the divine La Matrica. Let us know what you're experiencing, what you're seeing, what you're feeling. I'd like to thank everyone that has joined us on the mission for the Healing Retreat Center in Ecuador. Part of the vision now is seeing that a sacred cave, a sacred grotto, and a natural hot springs in southern Ecuador. So if you know of this land for sale that we're seeing in our vision with an orchard, fruit trees, let us know by sending us an email to info@primedisclosure.com to learn more about this blueprint for healing retreats and sustainable communities around this realm. Please check us out on primedisclosure.com. Click the Tao de Ecuador Healing Retreat Center at the top of the page. And very soon, myself and the Divine 44 will transmit to all of you our full vision for this Healing Retreat Center and sustainable community. So have a beautiful and blessed day. Keep walking your path with heart. Beloved beings of light, I love you all. Namaste.